Okay. What's up, Swansea? What's up, Akash? How are you doing, Abdul? Yeah, most likely it's what I'm thinking. It's either they give us a setup to take longs to there, or we possibly get an SMT and then take it to the downside. The downside would definitely be more ideal, but we're gonna see. I'm just posting the live really quick. SMT indicator. Oh, session S. Yeah. Okay. So y'all see that there? I paid $60 for it from like a friend, bro. It's not good. I'm sorry. Like, I mean, like, it's good at times, but like, I don't need it. If I have the ICT kill zones and if I have this first indicator on, like, I don't need this session SMT indicator because it defeats the purpose. Like, I can tell that there's a London high SMT if N cube crosses the red line and ES doesn't because of just the indicator itself. Like, it's not that good. I remember I just like impulse bought it because one time I didn't peep it while I had this indicator on. That was like months ago. I don't know why I had it on right now. I usually have it off. In this market profile, what's it called again? Indicator. That's just like standard deviations that I was just looking into when I was curious about what's it called again? The standard deviation guys. I don't trade standard deviation though. I definitely want to learn it at some point though. I don't know why I can't find a fucking picture to post. Sells on NQ. I'm thinking about it because of the possible daily SMT. Like, I'm gonna show you in a second. Last thing I have to send. Okay. All right. So, let's get straight into it, right? We check the weekly. I think it's pretty clear that NQ's been just wanting to take these all-time highs forever now, right? And I believe after we sweep this all-time highs, we would be putting the high of the weekend since it's Friday, right? With ES, we don't have any weekly targets or objectives, so nothing to look at there. Let me make sure my mic is okay. Okay. What's up, Zach? But yeah, if we go to the daily now, we'll notice that ES didn't take this previous day high, while NQ obviously has. So we have a daily SMT there, but we have to see if it holds or not. Right? Like we have the daily SMT, and if we check the 15-minute where it occurred, it's not like we formed a breaker or anything. It's that didn't happen. So I'm gonna check the 6 hour. This is what the bottom wicks look on the 6 hour, and I'm gonna check for SMT on ES. No SMT on ES either. For the at least on the bullish side, but there obviously is a bearish 6 hour SMT like that you guys see because of the daily SMT that I mentioned before. So we have a previous day high SMT. We have NQ close to a bullish draw, and we have no bullish high time frame SMT. I'm definitely looking towards sells after ES sweep. I mean NQ sweeps all-time highs. It would also make sense for the weekly profile because of the fact that like we could put high of weekend and then like just retrace till close. Bro, turn on the SMT indicator. It's a Christmas tree, bro. I'm telling you, like I was just saying this earlier, bro. I just don't like it, man. I just don't like it, man. Like it works, it's just like I don't need it if I have the kill zones and pivots. What's good, Unk? What's the move for today, bro? Am I Unk, bro? I'm 20 years old, man. I'm 20 years old. But yeah, I'm looking for shorts most likely, but I wouldn't put against like longing to all-time highs. Like I wouldn't put that behind me. But at the same time, like I'm most likely just take shorts. By the way, do y'all like when I'm live earlier than what's it called again? Y'all like when I'm live earlier, like at 9 a.m., 8:45, or do you guys like me going live closer to open? Like at 9:15, 9:20? That's funny. Yeah, there's a lot of young niggas trading, bro. Are you bullish today, bro? Yeah, but we need to take out all that all-time highs. They've been playing Nas. It's on other shit. Nah, yeah, I get that. Cause like this week's been annoying. Like we've been pump faking to the downside, and then we'll just end up bullish on the day. Like go live closer to open early. I'll figure out a schedule. Like right now, it's just whenever I happen to wake up and feel ready. Like that's what it's been for like ever since I started. Like 15 minutes before open. Okay. I'm 22 and I get called Unc like it's nobody but bro. Bro, I swear these young niggas be thinking we're senior citizens at 23 years old. Like my little bro is 18 and he's getting called Unc by kids in his school, bro. I'm like, all right. Like, all right. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start going live closer to open, like 15 minutes before. Game plan, take the longs to all-time highs and take the move down again. Yeah, pretty much. I don't know if I'm gonna take the longs because I don't think we'll get the opportunity to with good R because of how close we are to them. But what's it called again? We could definitely take it to the downside. Like most ideal scenario here is we print a bullish fair value gap and then we inverse it and then we take it to the downside. Nah, 18 is wild to be getting called that. I would get offended. Me too, 18. Started at 15. Yo, I really don't get how y'all be starting to trade at like 15 in those days. Like I didn't know about it when I was like that age. But that's crazy, bro. Because like you're learning while you're in school. Like you have to trade while you're in class. Like that's crazy. Oh, you gonna you gonna open the Discord, Brody? Discord drops at the end of this stream. If y'all check my IG, um, where is it? Wait, okay. If y'all check my IG, Weekend Q, I'm gonna post a link there. So NQ done playing games and finally running to all time highs. Yeah, I'm assuming so. Like it's the end of the week. Like it doesn't have any reason to like not distribute. What about me? 35. Although I'm couldn't. You might be unk. You might be unk. Like respectfully, but ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Niggas just be saying shit out here. Uh, I started options forex at 14, 15. I didn't know you was in the game for that long, Zach. I used to trade patterns at 15. It's been 3 months since I was introduced to indices. Bro, that's crazy, bro. Like I learned about trading when I was 17 and I started executing at obviously 18. But it was like late 17 when I started trading. Like it was like a couple months before I turned 18. So but what should we expect from the Discord? A lot actually. I'm not gonna say a lot, but like a good amount. Like I'm gonna be live trading like how you see me live here on the live stage. And then I'll also be doing like lessons and teaching if people like I'll do group calls where we could do group lessons, Q&As and shit. You know, I'm also expecting to do like a seminar with how I use breakers because I know that I have a video on the first fair value gap, but and I mention breakers a lot and like the standard deviations of them, but I never like taught them on my channel. I have like one simple video on it on my channel. So I'm gonna like teach y'all that if y'all are interested, of course. And then yeah, it's really just a closed comm where where me and my friends trading every day. So I'm opening it up to y'all. It'll go closed again in probably 2 weeks. And yeah. Bro, I'll be honest, starting young at 15 or whatever is like so good to me because when you get out of high school, you should have hella knowledge to take it seriously. Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah. The only thing that I'd be thinking like is weird about it though is like I know some people will start to try to trade with prop firms beforehand and like I know people personally who've been fucked over by it because of that. Like it's fucked up. Like they'll get caught and then now they can't use the firm when they're not 18. Like I'm like, damn, bro. And I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, you should have done this, you should have done that, because I didn't know about prop firms when I was 17. I mean 15, 16. So who's to say that I wouldn't have done the same thing, you know? Shit, I'd rather be unk my time over. I done did my shit. Time for y'all to chat. That's funny. Oh, we have 10 a.m. news. We do. Oh, it's 9:30 open. What the fuck? I'm over here reading chat. I'm not even paying attention to what's going on, bro. All right, so we just opened up. NQ just teased all-time highs again. It's ridiculous. ES is falling short, so I'm already knowing that. What's it called again? Yeah, I'm already knowing. ES is dropping because it can't follow suit or else it'll break the previous day high S&T. Let me check the 10 a.m. news we have. Prelim. Okay, I'm not scared of that. Yo, NQ, just sweep all-time highs, bro. What the fuck? Yo, like I hate this market, man. I hate this market so much, man. late. I started in March when I got fired from my job. That makes sense then. Okay, now NQ's. Why is NQ coming down so early, bro? Like I don't get that, bro. We didn't even sweep all-time highs. Shit acting like YM. I haven't even looked at YM today. Yo, NQ actually about to bounce off digital open and go to all-time highs. That's so crazy. Look at this shit. Yo, I'm about to start using these times at this point, bro. I really want to start using these key opens for trades, bro. I'm gonna learn that from somebody someday, bro. 10-point stop, right? 40 ticks. I'm not long. I'm not actually long in this because I do not know this model. I don't trade like that for real. I'm just looking. I'm just noticing. Bro, NQ, can you do something? Like, please. Like, I like how volatile we are, but can we sweep liquidity? Let's go on the 15 minutes. Check for SMT. NQ has came down to 845 and swept the previous candle's highs. ES has not, and it also hasn't came down to 845. Market open, try not to be insufferable challenge. Like, what did we do that for? We came 3 ticks from fucking all-time highs for no reason. Like, let's check ES again. ES is standing still. Looks like it was just before pre-market. Yep, that's what we like to see. Who's running these markets, dude? I don't know. We'll never know. YM gave us a London SMT. I'm just noticing. YM came down and swept London lows. That's when people start crashing out. Yeah. Like, I've been having like the slowest past like month and a half ever. I would have blown my accounts. Not the slowest. Let me stop saying that. But I've had a significantly slower past 2 weeks than I have trading any other time, bro. If I had let myself crash out, I would have blown my accounts. Bro, there's no way we leave all-time highs. Bro. Bro, there's no way. We got SMT on both sides for our highs 1 hour low. Like, why are we doing this? Let's check ES again. ES is actually standing still again. Still hasn't even came down to 845 while NQ is about to sweep 830. I'm telling you, these key opens. I'm telling you, bro, these key opens, man. I'm gonna learn about them one day. Like, bro, look. Anyways, let's see if we could get a fucking gap. Let's look at ES did while NQ was moving like that. ES is still lagging, but came down a bit. YM. I really don't care about YM. I'm not taking YM today. Key opens as in like digital open. Digital open is the 6 p.m. opening at the start of each trading day. So like that's where the start of the daily candle is. Midnight open is just 12 a.m. So like the 12 a.m. opening. And then another key opening would be 10 a.m. The start of the first 4-hour candle after market open. Like we're coming down. Like I expected that, but like why right now, bro? Like why did we leave this? I don't feel like we're actually done. But oh wait, my fault. Left 10 a.m. Sorry, I was looking at my phone. This 10 a.m. is from a previous 4-hour opening. Like look at this. This is from yesterday. That 10 a.m. I don't know why it's all the way over here. I just running this shit for Mama Fat, bro. That's funny. That's like you. Did you listen to the? Actually, I'm over here talking like people listen to Thug like that. He made a bar. I was like, "Bitch, I'm at the trench. I got a fat mama. I was whipping farms for a hat." I'm not gonna sing no string. What am I doing? Uh, we still haven't printed a gap on NQ, bro. Like ES is looking like it's ready to reverse. Let me check for that for a bullish SMT really quick. NQ has not, I mean, ES has not swept 830. NQ has, I believe, right? Yeah. Oh, NQ has swept way more too. Let me check YM. Zach said it's cleaner. No, I meant maybe we're leaving all-time highs for 10 a.m. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. That could be true. Yeah. YM cleaner. I don't know. Anyways, this is the first gap on YM. I'm not taking it. Like, why are we not? Why are we 11 minutes into open? Any thoughts on the do not ask me about that man? Do not ask me about that man. My brother. Do not ask me about that man. Duh. Not on live. YM first FPG be scarring me. I don't think I'll ever take it on there. I've taken it a couple times, like when NQ and ES just look terrible, and YM like look like it would print. Because YM has printed with it before. Trust me. It's just that sometimes I'm like, yo, I'm just like, no, bro. What is NQ doing, bro? Actually, yeah, it might be. We might just be waiting for 10 a.m., bro, because of the news. To take all to that. That makes way more sense. That makes way more sense because like I don't know what the fuck we're doing right now, and that's why I'm not taking the YM shit either. Because like not only is it lower probability, but it's also the fact that like we have news at 10. I'm already knowing that YM's a tweaker. Nah, bro, we gotta take the RTY first serve Valley got, bro. I'm telling you, RTY. Nah, these are the shorts, bro. These are the shorts, bro. Okay, this isn't even gonna be a gap. Like, what am I saying? Okay, for like, it's not. Should have taken YM IFBG. Oh shit, that actually printed. It's not like I could have taken that on my live anyway. My MFU just doesn't allow me to trade YM for whatever reason. So I'm confused if I like take this to all-time highs or if I take it to the downside. Like that's the annoying part. Like I am like overall bearish, but I see all-time highs as a very valid draw on liquidity. Because I mean, I think clearly we want all times. Oh God, I'm gonna put this trade on. I'm gonna take a shot at it. I'll take a shot at it on the live. And I'm going half risk on my top steps too. I don't know, man. Hashtag they told me, bro. Yo, they told me to long. Powell told you to long. Who told you to long? Mint, who told you to long? If I get auto cooked, I'm not. I don't even know what to say, bro. Like I'm not gonna sit here and act surprised because like overall I'm bearish. We do have previous day high SMT already. It's just like I would expect us to take all time highs first. Okay, so we've already inversed the gap. I could get cooked here. Like it's like this isn't funny anymore. And that's the inverse entry right there for anyone who was like adamant on shorts. What's YM and ES doing? I'm not even gonna say we wiped out shorts till we sweep this high. Oh yeah, it's not looking good. Usually when this model plays out, it just goes down. Like it'll like whatever give you like a deep entry, right? But it will not like act like it's gonna come up and come back down like that. That does not happen when it's green, bro. Oh my God, bro. It's I can't have anything, man. I can't win on stream. I just can't win on stream. It's impossible. It's impossible. That it just doesn't happen. Winning on stream does not happen for me. And I'm not even about to take the short either, bro. I'm not taking the short right now either. Yo, there are too many of us putting our stop losses here, bro. Like this is the third time I'm seeing us like sweep me out and then just like retrace crazy. Like I'm thinking of just taking 2 weeks off, bro, because this has been happening for almost every single open now. Like damn near every single open will like just sweep out both sides, chop, and like we'll have like some weird ass draw above us. Like that's the thing, bro. Price wants to come down, but we're for whatever reason just leaving these bullish draws above, bro. I just can't win on stream, bro. Like I literally just can't win on stream. How much would I be risking if I took it to the downside? Oh, it's too late for me anyway. I'm not getting entry. I'd be risking 170. This is my last trade for the day. What would I even be targeting? I would just say London lows. All right, let's try it. Let's try. Let's see. Let's see if I get auto cooked. If I lose this trade, I'm getting off, and I don't drop the DC. Like that's crazy. Like that's fucking crazy, bro. Cause like now we're chopping. Now it looks like shorts are cooked too. Like oh my god. Yeah, first FEG is patched, y'all. It's patched, y'all. It's over. I gotta close the whole YouTube channel, bro. It's over. Sorry, guys. I gotta end the whole YouTube. It's over. Bro, this is crazy though. Every single open, like we'll like be moving, and then once we print the first fair value gap, we'll just chop, and then we'll sweep out both sides, and then we'll just start moving again. Like, okay, so I'm not mad at myself for losing anymore, bro. Like these opens have just been ridiculous, man. Just every single fucking time, bro. Like we'll print a fucking first fair value gap, and then we'll just chop like right after and sweep out both sides. Like I don't know what to say anymore. Thank you, ICT. Like oh, and now we're about to go take all-time highs. Like literally, bro. Like look at this shit, man. We get liquidated by a fucking tick. I take the inverse and then we fly. Like, oh my god. Well, what is that? That's like yeah, negative 396. That's not a huge loss, whatever. That's when I used to trade breakers. I am not dropping the Discord after a week like that. Let's see what news does. I'm not taking anything else because I already took 2 trades, but I'm watching it. I would have had a fucking better entry, bro. Like just long fucking midnight open with a 10 point stop. I would be up 4 hour right now. Like I just want to see what happens at 10. Like if we're just gonna dump or if we're gonna take all times. Like 2 L's on back to back streams. Like and this is 10 a.m. I don't I don't see anything worth like there's nothing here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna take a break until we're away from all time highs, man. Like this is actually too much, man. Like this range we've been in all time high, like I just can't trade it. Or at least like it's just I just have a lower probability. Like I have a way lower win rate when we're at all time highs, bro. It's like so bad. I haven't experienced like this many losses like ever. Well, I'm dropping the Discord another time. I'm not dropping it after a week like this. Like this is terrible. So, I'm gonna talk to y'all soon. There's not much else for me to do because I already taken my two trades, and we got chopped out on both sides. So I'm gonna call it. Best of luck, y'all. Don't tilt. There's no reason to. So, yeah.